So we're back, and well, first of all, I see there is an idle frame, so we can actually make an idle frame for this game as well. So let's go do that. And let's open up the animation, create a new clip. Okay, now really simple animation, doesn't need too much. 3 frames, and one is already there. Let's make it like so. Let's give it this frame a little bit more. That could be funny, but I think I'll just keep some of the frames a little bit more, like so. Yeah, that's cool. And when we go down, let's move the motor light 1 pixel down as well. And then bring it back up again. And I think we can just move this and just leave this one like over here. Yeah, that's actually cool. Awesome. And then let's close that. Let's open up his logic. That's the action. I want to see if we also have the thug director in. Do we have it? Okay, it's in. Awesome. Then let's bring this in here. So when we're changing back to the idle on waiting, that's the AI handler, that's the one we want. So when you're changing now to waiting, see where this changes, however. Okay, you can say h.unitController.play animation idle. It's just that. So let's see it in action. And now he's waiting. Okay. I think, well, that kind of worked, but he played. Why did he? I think there was some delay or something like that. I don't understand why though. So let's see. Move to wait, init 8, otherwise. Oh, because there is wait time, that's why. So move to wait. Move to wait. If you're moving, then move to wait 8. Then after you're done, when you're moving to wait, let's set wait. After you init, set wait time to 0. So you don't have to wait there, and it plays right away. Yeah, that's perfect. That's actually awesome. That's really nice. And yeah, so you know what? I'm just going to save. I'm just going to duplicate this guy like 6 times. And we can actually give to all of them different colors. So let's say instead of red, we give somebody a blue jacket, like so. Another one will have a yellow jacket, like so. Another one might have a green one, like so. And let's do purple, because why not? I'll just keep it to 6. And this guy can be, I don't know, something like that. Baby blue. Okay, let's save. I'm going to also push from lab just in case we crash again, and let's see it in action. Perfect. That's actually amazing. That's really cool. I really love this. Okay, you saw where this can actually become a problem. Yeah, some of them do use the same one, but we can fix it later. Doesn't matter. Another way would have been to all of them use, you know, a different transform. Awesome. Now, the last thing I want to do is basically have an enabler, not in the controllers, the utilities, random enabled by time. Okay, so we'll do void date. And we do public list game objects, target objects. Then let's see, float timer, public float mean time, public float max time. Then if timer is over 0, return timer minus minus. Not minus minus time dot delta time. Once you are below the random dot range between mean time and max time, then we're just going to get a random object and if remove it from that list, remove at r, and if target objects dot count less or equals to 0, which is never going to be less, enabled equals false. Okay, so basically this will be enabling them by default. I'm going to start to make this public, so I know the first guy that's going to spawn will be on at the moment. Yeah, we'll basically have the time I set it. So I want to spawn after 1 second, for example, the first gun. So let's make something really cool, and let's do Okay, let's do random enable by time. All these target objects. So first guy is going to be spawned after 2 seconds. Mean time after that between 5 and 1 second. It's not a lot because I don't really need to be a lot. I just want them all to spawn but not spawn at the same time, so their animations are not in sync and their logics are not in sync. Okay, so let's say I will trigger the boss phase. First of all, I want to find all the lights that are going to be available in here. I'm going to move the phase trigger below, something like that. I have sort of a plan. I'm just going to move this to the left, and I need to find the lights first of all. So one will be this. I want to remove this one as well. And this one. Okay, I'll make it 3 seconds. Save. Then on boss phase, let's close the units. And on boss phase, we will enable all of that, but we'll also disable the lights. Boss lights. You know, make kind of an entrance for them. Basically, you move, you trigger, it closes this. Let's also add the other lights as well, just so that we have no other light but the I think these two work as well, just so that we don't have any other light, just the boss lights. Okay, so let's drop the boss lights over here. Game object set active. So you trigger. Where is this? And we also want this as well, I guess. So you trigger, this goes off, and after 2 seconds you'll start to see the bosses coming in. Perfect. So let's assume that this is like an actual game, which kind of is right now. So let's take the unit controller, let's take our camera target, all of that, and we'll move them back here, just, you know, to make an entrance. Life is all about making entrances. So we casually move forward. That was too fast because on our boss we do not have them disabled. Okay, another thing I want to fix is basically I'm going to make the camera follow speed to just be way faster. Yeah, that's actually real. Yeah, okay, that's amazing. I'm impressed. Yeah, so, well, you know, good luck winning this, because there's no way you can win this, I think. But it looks really cool, so I don't really care. Anyway, balance is something we will care later. For now, I'm just happy. I think we can probably just make them attack less fast. So attack distance maybe like 0.5, let's say 0.5. probably this will go. Yeah. Okay, I think maybe 1.8 something should be better. And I'll put the trigger a little bit to the right. I think that will do it. And we can move the entire boss phase, and the waypoints are here, so let's take all of them. Move the entire boss phase a bit here, something like that. We might have to do some small adjustments, but let's see. Yeah, that's really nice. That's amazing. Awesome. You know what? I think we're done here. You might have to balance this, but I think this looks just cool as a boss, and then they can just basically do this a couple of times, and you do everything else that you want to do. But yeah, maybe we can have them while they wait. They just wait a random amount of time and then just attack either way. And you see, we are actually hitting them. They're just missing the animation, so let's fix that. When we do an on hit the unit controller, we see all of this, but of course they only have one animation, so I'm going to do public bool override react anim and string react anim. So case okay, we can safely close all of this. So if not override react anim, else play animation or play animation react anim. Okay, and it's the walk hit for these guys, so take all of that, go to the unit controller, and let's just write walk hit. Okay, now another thing, let's also add the attack time, and let's do attack live. Let's also do public float attack time min, public float attack time max, and float attack time. And let's see, move to wait, displays the idle, so attack time equals a random dot range between attack time min, attack time max. Okay, so while you're waiting, attack time, or let's do attack time minus delta, or attack time less than 0. Perfect. So let's set up some values. Attack time in max, okay, from 2 seconds up to 8 seconds, or until the player gets close to them. But I don't know how that guy missed me, but he's probably should have. Ooh! Ha! Yeah, now we're talking. And you saw that I hit him. So that works fine as well. Now, okay, they are really hard to beat. So that's a real nice pass. Awesome. Yeah, I love this. This is just amazing. Yeah, well, I'm trying to beat them, but you know, not sure even if I'm making any damage to them. So let's see how they are on health. Let's do like 30 health on them. So I should be doing maybe I'm not going to do, let's do 10, because I think my jump attack only makes jump attack only makes 5, so in 2 hits you should be able to kill them, since there are so many, so you know. Okay, so is that doesn't exist, so that means should have been dead. And let's do public bull is dead. To 20, set is dead. And yeah, okay, they have an on death as well. Oh, we don't have an on death now. And actually, I'm just going to set this to entry from any state, whatever happens. And if is dead is true, just move there. Let's see it in action. This will be very fun. So let's see. Okay, the blue one got hit. Okay, so as you saw, he basically just fly off, and the animation was keep recycling. So we won't do it from this state, we'll do it from this state. Okay, so I'm just going to check if you're dead, you're not doing anything with the AI handler anymore. Why are you complaining? Anyway, no relax. Okay, okay, so if unit controller is dead, then return. Okay, we don't care about that. Let's close all of it, and I think we should be done here. One thing I want to change, however, is the from cinema scene. I want to change the so it's kind of more faster when he's following us. Don't see the speed anywhere. Target movement only. Oh, I think that should be fine. Let's do save. And camera target, let's maybe make it even faster. I think we forgot to tick something. Now, there is some sprite issues, some sorting issues actually, which we can fix easily, no problem. Okay, there he goes. It just plays it plays it in loop, which of course we don't want. So untick that. Also, let's fix the sprite render issues. And to do that, let's see what we can do. I'm actually just going to do copy sort order from. Bring it up. Then in late update, I'm going to do offset. I'm going to do sprite renderer, my renderer, target, then and then my renderer dot sorting order equals offset plus target plus sorting order. So on all my tags, I fortunately have to do copy sort order from target renderer and my renderer. This guy also has to do with this, however. My renderer. Okay, and I'll do +2 and +1. Okay, now unfortunately we have to delete the other ones as well because they are not set up. So let's do green. Then let's do yellow, not yellow, blue. Let's do yellow. Purple. And that will be 6 of them. Okay. So let's see. Oh, yeah, of course. Target objects. Somehow they all pick the same. Yeah, doesn't matter, all this works. Okay, if he's dead. I mean, it's not the easiest boss, but it works. We probably have to tailor a little bit the boxes, but you can see it. Oh, it's funny. It's funny, so I like it. And there we go. That was the boss. Awesome. Of course, you know, we can't change this. And I also, oh, yeah, we forgot one thing as well. We need to apply on the live palettes, we need to apply the other layers as well. And we have our boss. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's finish this since we don't really have much else to add on this guy. Okay, so now we're ready to just create a full level out of every tool we have. Okay, and some additional things. So I think I might record it and just go create the level and see if something comes up. Then we can create some additional, I don't know. We can create some additional helper tools. So, but I think this should be fine to have, and you will have everything that you might need to create at least 9% of your levels. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll see you on the next one.